Hello, my dear friends. This is Professor Dr. Satish Polshettiwar from School of Pharmacy, Dr. Vishwanath Karad, MIT World Peace University. Today, I am going to explore you very important tools that is going to be used for doing your presentations. The tool name is SwordSoft Mouse Track Tool. This is a very useful tool for your presentations. It can put a spotlight on the area around a mouse pointer and show the animation effect when you check your mouse and display your keystroke on the screen. This is very useful. Let us understand how to install and how to explore this tool during your presentations. So I'll take you on the tools now. Just go to the Google. You just type Spotlights applications. Okay, it is called as, the application name is SwordSoft Mouse Track. Okay, these applications, the moment you click on that application, then probably you could see this links, the second link. You have to go with the second link. Okay, now see, I'm using this one. Okay, you can see this is the one. Okay, you can see this is the thing that you are going to use, okay, for the application purpose. Okay, then you have to click on that screen. Okay, the moment you click on that link, then probably you could see this download button over here. You can see download now. Okay, you just click on download button. Okay, now I'm showing this highlight. You can see, okay, how I'm showing over here. So like that you can show with these applications. Even we can draw on the screen. Okay, like this you can draw on the screen also. Now see, you can zoom also like this. I can zoom it, these are particular applications. Then you can draw on the screen. Okay, yes. So moment you click on the download button, then they will ask you to download these applications. Okay, it will get downloaded in your PC. Then you can install this. Okay, once it get downloaded, then you can install it. After installing, then probably you could see this type of screen on your screen. Okay, you can see this is the, you could see over here. Okay, this is the app. Okay, it will install on your PC. Okay, then how to explore this application now? So for that, you have to just click on this application. Now see, the moment you click on the application, you could see various applications. The first is Spotlight. So what is use of Spotlights? Spotlight is very useful when you want to when you want to show a particular area around your mouse pointer. When you want to check your mouse and display your keystroke on the screen. So you can use that. You can put the 1 number in order to show spotlights. So moment I click 1, so probably you could see this. Again, if you want to normalize your screen, again put 1. So this is a one number hotkey you are given to just highlight your particular pointer. Okay, now see, you can highlight particular things. Then live draw, if you want to draw something on your screen when you are explaining something on the web base or any kind of things, so you can probably give the number 2. The moment you press on the 2 button, then probably you can draw anything on the screen like that. Now see, I'm drawing over here. This is the button that you are given. Okay, that is the 2 button you are giving for live draw, and 3 we can give it to live zoom. I can zoom it also. If I press the 3 button, I can zoom that particular part. Now you can see like that. Again you press 3, it will appear a normal screen. It will come back to a normal screen. Okay, this is very important tools for during your presentations. So now see, we can just go over here. Okay, like that you can do. This is very useful tools. You can even if you want to show something on the show mouse clicks, you can press 4 over here. You can give the hotkey number. So if you want to explore these tools, okay. Now see, I'm pressing 5. Now I'm again exploring the spotlights. You can just do the adjustment over here. For example, if you want this kind of a screen like this, if you want some kind of color on the circle, then you can probably adjust the color like this. You can select any color. Now see how it appears. Even you can improve your enlarge your circle as per your need. You can customize. Now see, I want this kind of screen. I can take it like this. This is the way how I can use it. Okay, opacity also can adjust over here like this. Color also you can adjust whatever the color you require, dark color like this. Okay, so we can take it this, and this is very useful when you are presenting something. If you want to highlight particular things to your audience, then probably this tool will be certainly helpful to you. Next, live. Here also you can do settings, whatever the things you require, pen width, pen opacity, zoom level. So you can do over here whatever you think. Okay, so zoom level also you can adjust over here. For example, I am pressing here 2 button. Okay, sorry, 3 button for the zoom live. You can adjust the level. Now see, I can adjust the level, whatever things you require. Here widths also you can adjust. If you want more widths, you can Height also you can adjust according to you can customize your screen as per your need. That is the second one. Okay, that is called as nothing but the your live. There are multiple use of this. Okay, so probably you can use it for your applications. Okay, now see the first one, the first key you are given for spotlight, second for live draw, third key is for live zoom, show mouse click fourth, and show keystroke, that is 5. Okay, so if I write 5, then keystroke will be over here. If I write over something over here, for example I'm writing my name, it will be appear like this. Now see, so likewise it will appear below the screen, that is called as show keystroke. If you moment you press 5, it will appear like this. If you again click 5, it will disappear from your screen. So that is the hotkey. Okay, so hotkey is very important when you're presenting something on your audience. Thank you very much. I hope you like this video.